Hey guys, I want to talk about a topic that comes up a lot in the health world, which is folate and methyl folate. A lot of people have heard about the MTHFR C677T gene that many people have that causes those of us who have it to not be able to convert folic acid in food into folate. So, a common mistake that people make is that they do a genetics test. They see that they have one or two MTHFR C677T mutations, and they take methyl folate, methyl B12, or methyl donors. But the problem with that is that oftentimes they end up over methylating and causing issues or other symptoms. So, in order to know how much methyl and what form you should take, depends on not only the MTHFR gene, but also the COMT and CBS genes and your homocysteine level, which is measured through a blood draw. So those who have two COMT mutations are usually very sensitive to methyl donors. So if you're COMT++ and you take methyl donors, it can actually cause manic behavior. Someone who has CBS mutations, if active, should take almost no methyl donors as well, also because they are prone to high sulfur levels in the body, and most methyl donors are sulfur-based. So you would need to look at your homocysteine level to determine whether CBS is active or not. So if homocysteine is below 6, it's usually active. If it's above 6, it's usually not active. If it's close to 6, you should assume that there's probably a good chance that it could be active. If CBS is active, it's important to avoid high sulfur foods and take supplements such as dandelion, ornithine, and to help detoxify the sulfur. If you're prone to cold sores and or have the herpes virus, you want to balance ornithine with lysine, since ornithine activates the herpes virus and lysine deactivates the herpes virus. Another thing to keep in mind is that some people need methyl for their body, but their brain won't like it. So, for example, if you have two MTHFR C677T mutations and therefore need methyl, and you either don't have a CBS mutation or it's not active, then your body needs methyl. However, if you're COMT++, you're going to be sensitive to methyl and your brain won't like it very much. So in that case, you should titrate the methyl and only take what your brain can handle. Another MTHFR gene that is important to look at is the MTHFR A1298C mutation. If you have two mutations on that enzyme, it will reduce your ability to convert folic acid to folate, just like the MTHFR C677T will. But the main concern with MTH1298C is that it causes somebody with one or two mutations to be prone to high ammonia levels in the body. So high ammonia levels in the body can cause symptoms such as brain fog, fatigue, joint pain. So if you have MTHFR mutations and you're experiencing health issues, you should definitely get your body supported with the basic nutrients that it needs, then work on detoxifying the ammonia. You'll want to follow the same protocol as somebody with an active CBS mutation, because sulfur and ammonia go hand in hand. So avoid high sulfur foods and take supplements such as dandelion, ornithine, and ornithine to help detoxify the ammonia. If you're prone to herpes, remember to balance the ornithine with lysine. So I hope this helps clear up some questions that you may have about the two most common MTHFR genes. If you're looking for a practitioner, you can contact me from my website, and the link to my website is in the description below. Also, if you would like to join my Facebook group where you can ask questions and gain health information, the link is also in the description below.